Welcome once again, and let's talk about tectonic token. VVS Finance are fully in charge. About 76% of tectonic token daily volume is being traded on VVS Finance. 76%, wow, that's a lot. VVS Finance have been showing a lot of support for tectonic token, and they have even promised to support the burning of this coin once that comes up. And it's amazing to see VVS Finance really doing great. I mean, crypto.com are just controlling 23% of this, okay? And I believe that VVS Finance will continue to show more support. 76% being traded by them alone. The coins of tectonic token on a daily basis is being traded more. Remember, this coin is being hosted by crypto.com. VVS Finance just listed this coin, and they are now in charge of this coin. I believe the community will keep supporting this coin. But one important thing we need to understand is these two can only try their best. But tectonic tokens still need a lot. They need Kucoin, they need Get.io, they need Bank, they need Hotbit, they need other top crypto exchanges to really come in and partner with tectonic token, which I know, of course, that is being going on right now, because the developers have actually promised that this year we'll be seeing a lot of partnership and listening of tectonic token. Now, for me, I think what VVS Finance are doing is really great. Want to see more exchanges like VVS Finance. This coin is going to pump. I can't promise you now, but I believe gradually you are going to see VVS Finance really increasing in price. And in case you want to buy and hold this coin, remember to invest for what you can afford to lose. And also know that this is not a financial advice. So please conduct your own research before taking any decision. Now, I believe with the support from VVS Finance, Crypto.com, and with the support from the community, before the end of this year, this coin might be hitting over 500 to 1000% increase in price, or even 2000. There's a possibility for that. So let's keep hoping this year becomes a bullish year for cryptocurrency in general.